This is our 10th year with the STEM Expo. We have panelists from industries like digital design, health sciences, computer sciences, construction, transportation. So the students have an opportunity to talk to people in those industries. The goal is to connect students with possible career paths and maybe gear their classes in CTE towards those fields that they're interested in. In the expo hall, we have approximately 20 companies that have come to present to students and show what they do. I would hope that a student would find a career path that they're interested in and have that connection so that they know what direction they can go and they can connect with those companies as soon as possible. From 4:30 to 7:30, it's open to the public, so the students can come back with their families. We'll also have a whole big room with activities for students of all ages. We have Ozobots and Spheros and Rocket. Also connecting parents with possible companies that their students might be interested in or career paths that they might be interested in. Lots of hands-on fun stuff.